Hey there, welcome to another episode of Hangout with me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, I'm really excited about it and we are making some naan. I'll be serving this with some butter chicken. You can also check out the recipe on my channel. With me here I have my ingredients, and from this corner, I have some warm water, I have some salt, I have my sugar and some yeast. I also have some cooking oil, and finally I have my all-purpose flour. And without further ado, let's get started. This is such an easy recipe and we are just going to be making it as if we are making some chapati. I'll go in with about half a tablespoon or 1 teaspoon of yeast, and this is about 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'll go in with 3 pinches of sugar, but you can definitely add more if at all you're a sweet tooth. Then I'll go in with a pinch of salt, about half a teaspoon should be okay. Then this normally gives me about 7 small naans, but I also have an extra half a cup because I want about 8 of them today. Then I'm going to mix in my warm water. Then later I'll go in with some cooking oil and our dough will be ready. Then I'm also going to grease this bottom side so that once it rises, it doesn't stick to my plate. Then I'm going to cover this for about 45 to 1 hour or till it doubles in size. So this is about an hour later. Oh. And I'm going to punch this to release the air. All my meals are ready. I have some butter chicken. I also have some naan bread, and you can check out either of the recipes. These naans are so soft and pillowy. Wow. So good. Everything just blends in together. You just have to try this out. I hope you're going to try it my way and let me know how you find it. And if at all you want the butter chicken recipe, you can also check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.